Good morning friends, I am HR Manjunath. Today I am in a place called village Bandehalli, Nitturu Hobali, Gubbii Taluk, Tumakur district, Karnataka. This farm belongs to Mr. Anand Robert. It's about 5-6 acres of land. Main crop is mango and additional crops are coconut and arecanut. That we're going to see the next part. From yesterday we are here, we are trying to focus on these things. Friends, I always keep telling live fencing, cover crops, companion species and green ring. For that we are going to use various dicotyledon nitrogen fixing supporting plants. So we have brought these kind of seeds. We did the seed treatment also yesterday and we started creating our own nursery. So what are the things we are growing? For the live fencing we are going to use these 5 plants. Let me introduce them. This is called Simaruba. This Simaruba plant we will be growing for a live fencing, followed by Jatrupa. This is a second seed called Jatrupa. Third one is Erythrina indica. In Kannada we call it as Halavana. The fourth one is Gliricidia and the fifth one is Subabul. So these 5 plants we will going to grow in our own nursery here and we are going to transplant them all along the live fence and the interbunds. This will create sufficient nitrogen fixing and biomass mulching. I repeat, our Simaruba, Jatrupa, Erythrina, Gliricidia and Subabul. Now these are all our live fencing plants. Apart from that, we will also use the combination for our companion species plants adjacent to my grid plant. In this case, areca and coconut. So what we are doing here is, as a companion species plant, friends, I will be using Gliricidia on the western side of my grid plant. On the eastern side, Susbania grandiflora. Similarly, on the next plant, we are going to have Erythrina indica towards the western side and Moringa or a drumstick as the eastern side. So these 4 combination is our companion species plants. Gliricidia on the western side, Susbania grandiflora on the eastern side, Erythrina indica on the western side, Moringa or a drumstick on the eastern side. So these 4 forms the combination for my companion species. Apart from that, as you know, we also create what is called green ring for green crop. So for this green ring formation, we will use mixture of sun hemp, diancha and black horse crumb in the ratio of 4:3:1. That means 4 part of sun hemp, 3 part of diancha, 1 part of black horse gram. We will be using this to create what is called green ring around my grid plant. Apart from that, we will also grow this. This is called velvet beans. So a kavach beach. This velvet beans is used for green cover crop. We want to cover the entire area with a green cover crop. This is for green cover. This is for green ring. These are all for companion and put together all these things for live fence or periphery borders. Like this we have brought all this kind of seeds and we will be growing our own nursery. How we are growing our own nursery? You can see here. So you can see here we have made this nursery covers. Yeah, so yesterday we brought different size of nursery covers, 4/6 inches, 7/9 inches. On these nursery covers we have filled what is called cover fill material. This cover fill material consists of the topsoil, the red soil of this native place, native land. We are going to mix sand. We have mixed organic manure and cocoa pith and little bit of sand. So all these things we have mixed and we have created this cover fill material of different sizes. There are about 2000 plus nursery covers we have prepared here. And yesterday evening we have done the seeding of those 6 types of perennial green manuring plants. So we are going to make our own nursery here and this will be ready between next 6 to 8 weeks time. So this will be going to be transported in the mainland either as a live fence plant or as a companion species plant. So in addition to these nursery cover bags, we have also done one more thing called these beds. If you can see here, these are all the beds available. We created these beds. It's about 3 feet width and X feet length. On this bed again we filled the same cover mix material and we did the seeding of these nitrogen fixing plants. Then we have done what is called moisturization using oil seed cake liquid and we covered it with the banana dry leaves like this to hold on to the moisture. This is again another type of nursery bed. So you can grow on the HDP grow bags or you can grow on the beds like this. To feed this we are going to use what is called various oil seed cake liquid manure. So this is an oil seed cake liquid composition, consists of neem, castor, pangomia, groundnut and copra. Like this we mix this one. This is a mixture of various oil seed cake, about 5 kg per a 200 liter barrel. This is our 200 liter barrel. We use about 5 kg of this. Like this we prepare oil cake liquid and we use it for basin drenching. So this is our part 1, and the next part we will going to see the grid plant and their positioning and how we create green ring. Thank you very much. First